So this is a really cool tool to run our business with AI. So we can now completely automate an entire employee's worth of work with this simple AI automation, and it's going to cost you $30 a month, and it's insane what it can do. So basically we're going to convert all the information from our from our website into a chatbot. But it's not just a normal chatbot that can just answer people's questions. We've seen those before. This is a chatbot that can intelligently categorize customer questions into simple requests and deal with them with a chat response, but it can also identify complex issues and do human handoff, prioritization. It can alert you as a business owner, and more importantly, it can then deal with that support ticket all on its own and automatically create a response for you to send via email. So how does it work and how difficult is it to do? Well, it's incredibly easy to do. All you need to do is click the top link down below in the description and head over to ChatIQ and click on start your free trial. When you get into ChatIQ, your account will look slightly different to this, but you can then upload data to your chatbot. Let me just close that. So here we go. We can put in our website and we're going to fetch all of the links from our website. So basically what this means is if we go to ChatIQ's website, for example, we've got blog pages on our site. Let's click on this one. It's going to go to every single page on our website, and it's going to copy all of these bits of text and everything, and it's going to create a knowledge base, a database of all of that data. So you can see here, this is all the data. I've got 153,000 words, and now our AI chatbot can respond and read all of this information. So you can imagine how useful this will be if we're looking to create a customer support agent. So now we've basically built a brain. So anything that's to do with our business, whether it's for customer support or whether it's for training new employees or whether it's for giving information to customers who are using our product, we can create an AI interface for people to find that information. So 80% of the questions that people have currently for your support are very simple requests. These are things like, what's the tracking information, or how can I get a refund? Those sorts of things. They're very, very simple questions that have a very, very simple answer, typically on your privacy policy page or your product page or in your blog somewhere. But then there are some complex issues with people saying, I tried to cancel my subscription, but it didn't work. So those are things where you need human handoff. And there's two ways of doing this. The first way is having somebody on your payroll sitting there constantly ready to respond to these messages in real time in the conversation chat. Which is okay, but it's quite expensive for a business. The second way is to automate this with support ticketing. So we want to make sure we have a way of receiving this information and having a human deal with it, but we also want a way to prioritize all of this information. So you can see here, if I submit a support ticket, I can categorize the ticket information into different categories, and as a business you can select your own support categories. You can put in your information, and then that support ticket is going to come through into your dashboard. So imagine this is your dashboard as your company. You can see here, if we look at all of the open tickets, this is just some test data that I put through. This person's asked for a refund for their account. We can then reply to that support ticket, and we can use AI to generate a response for that support ticket. And if we don't like that response, we can actually give it an additional prompt to tailor that response a little bit more. But this means that we don't need to be spending hours drafting out emails for customers and continually having to write the same email over and over and over again. And this AI isn't just generating a response, it's actually using all of that data that we scraped earlier to find the answers for its response. So you can see here in this example, this is the chatbot that I set up for ChatIQ. So I've got one here in the corner. And if, for example, somebody has a question on how to use my app, they can ask the chatbot, and the chatbot can give them the answer. But also, if they then submit a support ticket, for example here, deleting data from the data feed, this is the data feed, by the way, where all of your data is housed. If they don't know how to delete it and they submit a support ticket, I can just get the AI to write me a response, and it can tell them exactly how to do it, because it can read the steps from the brain, and the brain knows everything about the software. It knows everything, provided all that information that I've given it here contains the information on how to delete data from the data feed. They can then still get a response, and we don't need to write anything out, and then we can automatically send that response via Gmail. So let's say, for example, where were we with the one that's open? Here, we can then send that email via Gmail. If we click this, it's then going to open up, it's then going to open up the default Gmail account that we're logged into in Chrome, and it's going to pre-populate it with the customer's email address, It's going to pre-populate the subject line and the body. We just then need to fill out who it's from, and then we can send it. And now we've dealt with that support ticket, we can actually then close that support ticket. So you can do all of this basically just by coming to your chatbot, putting in your website, scraping your website, and then creating your chatbot by selecting the data from your data feed. And it's that easy to do. Once you've done all of this, you can actually customize it a lot more. You can see we've got different instructions and we can customize all the different bits and pieces. But once we're ready, we just need to copy this code here, take that, head over to our website builder, and then paste it into the head code of our website. Once we've done that, publish the changes, and then we will have a chatbot on our website ready for our customers to talk to get information. So the link is down below in the description. If you start a free trial, put in your card details. You won't be charged for 2 weeks. You can use it for completely free, and then after that, if you want to keep using it, you can just pay $30 a month for all of this support ticketing. So let me know in the comments down below if you've got any questions or any features you'd like to see. If there are any features that you would like to see, if you're a bigger customer, then always come onto the website, submit a support ticket, and we can always customize the software for you.